आज अध्यक्ष के रूप में रेफरेंस वाचन भी करना होगा। श्री डी.के. कटारे साहब मुझे वकील के रूप में तराशने वाले एक शिल्पकार, अपनी बात को दृढ़ता से रखना मैंने उनसे सीखा, तो जीवन के झंझावत में भी मुस्कुराते रहने का पाठ उन्होंने सिखाया। मैंने आज अपना एक अच्छा मार्गदर्शक ही नहीं, बल्कि एक अच्छा शुभचिंतक खोया है। मुझे कटारे जी हर किरदार में मिले, जिसके लिए मैं स्वयं को सौभाग्यशाली मानता हूँ, और आज उनका बिछुड़ना बहुत बड़ी रिक्तता पैदा कर गया, जो शायद कभी न पूरी हो सके। सूनी आंखों से ढूंढता क्या हूँ, कैसे बताऊं कि खोया क्या है। एक कटारे एक अच्छे मृदुभाषी कानूनविद होने के साथ साथ जिंदा दिल इंसान थे, और उनका स्वभाव सरल एवं सहज था। श्री कटारे को युवा अभिभाषक गण चाचा जी कहकर बुलाते थे। वह वास्तव में ऐसे वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता थे जिसने न सिर्फ विधिक क्षेत्र में सर्वोपरि ज्ञान प्राप्त किया, बल्कि कनिष्ठ अधिवक्ताओं के दिलों पर भी राज किया। उनका स्वर्गवास हो जाने के कारण उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ द्वारा एक महान विधिवेत्ता, वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता और एक महान व्यक्तित्व को खोया है, जिसकी पूर्ति वर्षों तक होने की संभावना नजदीकी भविष्य में नहीं दिखती। माननीय श्री डी.के. कटारे एवं श्री राकेश कुमार दरबारी अभिभाषक गणों के असामयिक निधन पर मैं उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ के प्रत्येक सम्मानीय सदस्य की ओर से एवं मेरे स्वयं की ओर से हृदय की गहराइयों से श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ, और परमपिता परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि उनके परिवारजन को इस गहन दुख को सहन करने की महान शक्ति प्रदान करे एवं इन पुण्य आत्माओं को अपने चरणों में स्थान प्रदान करे। ओम शांति, ओम शांति, ओम शांति। जय राधा कृष्ण।
Honorable Administrative Judge Shri Rohit Arya and the other companion judges of the High Court, Shri M.P.S. Raghuvanshi, President of the Bar Association Gwalior, Shri Praveen Nevaskar, Assistant Solicitor General, Shri J.P. Mishra, Member of the State Bar Council, Principal Registrar and other staff of Registry, senior advocates and members of the Bar. We have gathered here today to mourn the demise of advocates Shri D.K. Katare and Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari. Shri D.K. Katare, advocate, was born on 11th of October 1941 in Gwalior. He was enrolled as an advocate on 28th of June 1968. He had been practicing as a lawyer for more than 54 years in the field of civil, constitutional, revenue, and service law matters. He had expertise in service law and was the most sought after counsel by the employees of police department. He was the standing counsel for the Election Commission of India. He also served as the standing counsel of central government from 1978 to 1982 and from 1997 to 2007. He served as the president of High Court Bar Association Gwalior from 2008 to 2010. Since last 1 year, he had been keeping unfit due to kidney issues. He left for the heavenly abode on 1st of February 2022. Shri D.K. Katare is survived by 4 daughters and 2 sons. Both his sons, namely Alok and Arun Katare, are practicing as advocates in the Gwalior High Court. Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari was born in 1954 at Gwalior in the family of Shri Shyam Sarup Darbari, who retired as DSP and was also an advocate. After completing his primary education, Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari did his BSc in the year 1979, and in the year 1982, he earned his LLB degree. He practiced on the criminal side for 38 years. He was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1983. He was married in the year 1984. Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari has left behind 2 daughters and a son. He passed away on 27th of January 2022. I, on behalf of the Office of Advocate General, convey my heartfelt condolences to the member of the bereaved families. I pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed souls.
माननीय प्रशासनिक न्यायमूर्ति श्री रोहित आर्या साहब, न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री M.P. रघुवंशी, अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय संघ ग्वालियर, श्री अंकुर मोदी, अध्यक्ष महाधिवक्ता, श्री प्रेम सिंह भदौरिया, श्री जितेंद्र शर्मा, श्री राजेश शुक्ला, सदस्य आयुक्त परिषद, श्री प्रवीण निवासकर, असिस्टेंट सॉलिसिटर जनरल, श्रीमान रजिस्ट्रार द्विवेदी जी, सम्मानीय वरिष्ठ अधिवक्तागण, सम्मानीय अधिवक्तागण, अत्यंत दुख का विषय अभिभाषक संघ के सम्मानीय सदस्यगण, श्री डी.के. कटारे एवं श्री राकेश कुमार दरबारी का दुखद निधन हो जाने के कारण आज हम लोग उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि देने एकत्रित हुए हैं। श्री डी.के. कटारे साहब का जन्म 11 अक्टूबर 1941 को ग्वालियर में हुआ। श्री डी.के. कटारे साहब द्वारा 1968 से विधि व्यवसाय सुप्रसिद्ध अभिभाषक श्री नावकर साहब के सानिध्य में प्रारंभ किया। श्री नावकर साहब बाद में एलिवेट हाईकोर्ट के लिए जज हुए। श्री कटारे विशेष रूप से संवैधानिक, राजस्व, दीवानी मुकदमों के विशेषज्ञ से। श्री कटारे भारत निर्वाचन आयोग के एवं केंद्र सरकार के स्टैंडिंग लॉयर रहे। श्री कटारे उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ के 2008 में अध्यक्ष निर्वाचित हुए। श्री कटारे मिलनसार एवं ईश्वर में आस्था रखने वाले व्यक्ति थे। श्री कटारे ने अपने पीछे भरा पूरा परिवार छोड़ा है। उनकी विरासत उनके पुत्र श्री अरुण कटारे एडवोकेट एवं अनुज पुत्र आलोक कटारे एडवोकेट द्वारा प्रवीणता से बढ़ाई जा रही है। श्री राकेश दरबारी एडवोकेट का जन्म 1954 में हुआ था। उनके पिता श्री श्याम सुंदर दरबारी रिटायर्ड डीएसपी थे, जो बाद में अभिभाषक के रूप में उन्होंने कार्य किया। श्री दरबारी ने 1979 में बीएससी और 1982 में एलएलबी की डिग्री प्राप्त की। तत्पश्चात राजयुक्ता परिषद पंजीयन उपरांत विधि व्यवसाय प्रारंभ किया। श्री दरबारी विशेष रूप से फौजदारी प्रकरणों पर पैरवी करते थे। श्री दरबारी मिलनसार एवं व्यक्तित्व के धनी थे। उन्होंने अपने पीछे अपना पूरा परिवार छोड़ा है। श्री डी.के. कटारे एवं श्री राकेश दरबारी के दुखित निधन से अभिभाषक संघ एवं विधि जगत को अपूर्णीय क्षति हुई है। मैं अपनी ओर से एवं मध्य प्रदेश राजयुक्ता परिषद की ओर से उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ और ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ उनकी दिग्गत आत्माओं को शांति प्रदान करें और शोकाकुल परिवार को असीम दुख सहन करने की शक्ति प्रदान करें।
Honorable Chief Justice Shri Rohit Arya ji, Administrative Judge and all campaigning judges sitting on dais, Shri MPS Raghuvanshi, the President High Court Bar District in Gwalior, Shri Ankur Modi, Additional Advocate General for State of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Jayaprakash Mishra ji, Member State of Bar Council, respected senior advocates, members of Bar, Principal Registrar and officers of the registry. Today we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of Shri Dev Krishna Katare and Shri Rakesh Kumari Darbari advocates. Shri Dev Krishna Katare, born on 11/10/1941 and after completing school studies and BCom LLB, got himself enrolled in the rolls of State of Madhya Pradesh in the Bar Council on 26/1968 and started practice with late Shri A.R. Navkar, advocate, later on who became the judge of this honorable court. Shri Dev Krishna Katare has practiced in all corners of law, civil, constitutional, revenue, service and criminal matters. He was also standing counsel for Election Commission of India and has also represented Union of India from 1978 to 1982 and 1997 to 2007. He also president of High Court Bar Association from 2008 to 2010. He was such kind-hearted person and always ready to help junior advocates. Be proud of his physical fitness. श्री देव कृष्ण कटारे अपने नाम के अनुरूप भगवान श्री कृष्ण के अनन्य अनुयायी थे। आप नियमित रूप से गिरिराज जी की परिक्रमा के लिए मथुरा उत्तर प्रदेश जाते थे। Shri Katare has heavenly abode on 1/2/2022, leaving behind 4 daughters and 2 sons, namely Shri Arun Katare and Shri Alok Katare. Both are practicing advocates before this honorable court. Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari, born on 21st of May 1954 in Gwalior. He completed his BSc LLB in 1979 and 1982 respectively. He was enrolled in the rolls of State Bar Council in 1983 and started practice in the criminal side. He passed away on 27 January 1922, leaving behind 2 daughters and 1 son. Due to death of Shri Dev Krishna Katare and Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari advocates, the legal fraternity has suffered irreparable loss. I, my own behalf, and also on behalf of Union of India and law officers, express my heartfelt condolence on the sudden demise of great Shri Dev Krishna Katare and Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari advocates, and pray Almighty to provide the inner peace and tranquility to the departed soul and courage to the bereaved family to overcome this irreparable loss. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om.
My esteemed brothers on the bench, Mr. MPS Raghuvanshi, President High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Mr. Ankur Modi, Additional Advocate General, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Bench at Gwalior, Shri J.P. Mishra, Shri P.S. Bhadoria, Shri Jiten Sharma, and Shri Rajesh Shukla, Honorable Members of the State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Praveen Nevaskar, Assistant Solicitor General of Union of India, respected senior advocates, members of the bar, and officers of the registry, officer on special duty, Shri Hiten Dwivedi. We have gathered today here to mourn the sad demise of late Shri D.K. Katare and Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari, honorable members of the Bar Association of Gwalior. Late Shri Katare was born on 11/10/1941. After completing his initial schooling and law education, he enrolled as an advocate on 28th of June 1968 and joined the chambers of Honorable Chief Justice A.R. Naukar, as then he was, as an advocate. At Gwalior, within a short span of time, he was one of the leading advocates of the town. He practiced for more than 53 years. He was standing counsel of Election Commission of India. He also remained standing counsel of central government in two spells from 1978 to 82 and 1997 to 2007. He was president of the High Court Bar Association from 2008 to 2010. An affable personality, he was blessed with adorable, infallible qualities. His legal acumen was well reflected in his eloquent arguments, while he adroitly dealt with civil, constitutional, revenue, service, and criminal matters. He has argued with distinction a number of important cases throughout his career as an advocate. Shri Katare has always been held in high esteem for his impeccable character, integrity, honesty, and uprightness. He was outspoken, straightforward, and aggressive, yet persuasive in his arguments, which had earned him the respect of his colleagues and that of the bench. His advocacy in the court was typical of the man. It was direct, concise, and to the point, and without embellishments. He was guided by conscience and commitment to common good, espousing the rights of the poor and vulnerable. His wit and vast legal acumen made him a doyen of the bar. He left for heavenly abode on 31st of January 2022. He is survived by two sons and four daughters. His sons, Shri Arun Katare and Shri Alok Katare, are also practicing advocates of the sport. Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari was born in Gwalior in the year 1954. His father, Shri Shyam Swarup Darbari, was a retired DSP and after superannuation practiced as an advocate. Late Shri Rakesh Kumar Darbari completed his BSc in the year 1982 and thereafter did his LLB. He got enrolled as an advocate on 8/7/83. He practiced efficiently on criminal side for 38 years. Unfortunately, he breathed his last on 27th of January 2022. Death of Shri Katare Darbari is a huge loss to the legal fraternity. They were affectionate, kind, and warm-hearted persons. Their demise has created a void in the bar. I, on my behalf and on behalf of my esteemed brothers, convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family and pray to God to give them strength to bear this irreparable loss. May the Almighty bestow peace to the departed soul. As a mark of respect, we shall observe 1 minute silence to pay homage to the departed souls. The OSD of the High Court bench at Gwalior shall convey the proceedings of this reference to the members of the bereaved family. There shall be no court work after the reference.